NBA 2k26 corrupted data, my player gone. First thing, relax. In 2026, this is usually a sync glitch, not deletion. Don't delete your player. Fix one. Dummy build refresh. Most successful. Go to my career. Create a new build. Don't spend any VC. Load into the city with a 60 overall. Walk around for 20-30 seconds. Now quit to main menu. This forces the cloud to refresh. When you go back to your builds, many players say this real high overall player comes back instantly. Fix 2. Delete unsend rebirth build. If you have multiple rebirth build with 0 VC, delete the unused ones. Close the game completely, open it again. Reddit users say this clears the corrupted file message fast. Fix 3. Error 4B538E50 or EFEAB30C. This usually means a background update didn't finish. Go to play now, tap 2KU or freestyle, let the game sit there for 15-20 minutes, don't touch anything. Wait for update required message, go back to main menu so it syncs. Fix 4. Cloud save check. For console players, go to console storage, tap cloud saves, download the most recent save. Be careful not to overwrite your good save with an old 60 overall file. Extra quick fixes, stuck at 76% loading, clear reserved space on Xbox or restore licenses on PlayStation, still broken. Open a 2K support ticket. In 2026, they can clone your player and transfer badges, attributes, and animation. Most of the time, your build is not gone. It's just stuck syncing. Comment below if they saved your player. Bye bye.